Hi guys, this is AishaMarz and welcome to my channel. And today is Friday. It's almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So today I'm going to prepare some chicken curry for dinner. So guys, I want to show you how I can cook chicken curry for my own recipe. So guys, please stay with me and cook with me. Alright, so I will show you what's the ingredients I use, so that you can also cook in your house. Okay guys, I will show you some ingredients that I prepare. Okay guys, this is the chicken. This is like a whole chicken, but I make it in pieces already. Guys, this is the tomato and the chili. I put in the blender because I wanna blend it, but it's up to you guys if you don't like to blend, so it depends on you. And this the onion, I cut it already, and the garlic and ginger, and add the onion. We have to make it low heat so that it will not burn. So we have to wait until the onion become brown. Guys, the onion, it's brown already. So we have to add the ginger and garlic. So just mix it like maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can add the tomato. Guys, I add the tomato and 1 chili. So we have to mix it well, and we have to wait for a few minutes to cook. And we can add the ingredients and the chicken. As you can see, it's cooking slowly, and we can add now the ingredients. The chicken, and we will add the ingredients. Guys, we will add these ingredients. Just put all together and mix. And guys, sorry, I forgot the salt, so we add the salt. One teaspoon of salt. Maybe later we can add more if not enough. So it depends with your taste. Guys, I will add 1 cup of water. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Guys, so we have to make it low the fire. Little bit. Yeah, that's low. And then we can wait for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, but time to time we have to check so that it will not burn. Guys, let's check our chicken curry. Guys, I think it's done, and the chicken is already cooked, and also the potato. So let's just cover it and off the fire. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like and share my video. And if you want more recipe Pakistani food, please feel free to comment or send a message via Facebook or email. And I hope guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and have a good day. God bless everyone. Bye bye.